Hey, what's up everyone? CannaChameleon here for CannaCast UK, and I'm here today to show you how to get your Magic Flight launch box up and running quickly. So you basically pulled out a box. It's come in 3 parts. It comes with a cap on this. Put that off. So got your battery, your Magic Flight launch box, and your mouthpiece. So attach your mouthpiece in the hole there. Just push it in nice and firmly. Step 1, and then put the battery, poke a bit, positive, in the bigger hole. So now you set it up basically. Now it's time to fill it up. Slide the door around, grab your dry herb of choice and fill it up like so. Just fill it up about to the line of the trench, anywhere, but don't overfill it. And you want your dry herbs to be as fine as possible. So let's push them all into the trench like so. So then we slide the door back. So to activate it, you push the battery in. So when it's ready, you want to toke as slow as you can. So push the battery in, and then if you look down at the stem, you'll see that light is on. Let's see if I get it on there. So it's heating up. So push that, and you want to push it in for about 7 seconds and pull on it as slowly as you can. And then release the battery and exhale. So you want to move the herb around inside it after sort of everyone to toast it evenly. So move it around, get it all back into the trench, and then go again. And continue until your herb is nice and brown, and I'll carry on and show you the results at the end. As you can see here, my herb is toasted. So now it's time to dump it out of there. Just twist the thing back open, dump it out into wherever you're going to chuck it, and just give it a little once over with the brush provided. Now there is a couple of things to remember. There is a bit of a learning curve. You can overdo it by holding the battery in too long before you take a toke. So just keep in mind that the more you use it, the better you'll get at it. And once you've got it down, it's a fucking brilliant vape. Cheers, laters.